Hello, my dear children. Today we are going to learn another interesting lesson, our picture plant Bandura. Before we start our lesson, let's watch a video of Bandura plant. Children, do you know why we call this plant as pitcher plant? Just look at the shape of the plant. Doesn't it look like a water jug? Children, have you heard or seen a real Bandura plant? Now, let's see what a Bandura plant is. Bandura is a tropical pitcher plant native to Sri Lanka. Plants native to a country are called endemic plants. So, many botanists found this plant in Sri Lanka and named it as Nepenthes distillatoria after the local name Bandura. Children, do you know who a botanist is? A botanist is a person who studies on plants. Now let's see the scientific name of Bandura plant. We call Nepenthes distillatoria. The English name is pitcher plant and the local name is Bandura. Thereafter, Bandura became the most commonly used name for all tropical pitcher plants. It is commonly known as a pitcher plant as it contains a sac like a pitcher to catch insects. Bandura is a carnivorous or flesh-eating plant. We know Bandura is a carnivorous or flesh-eating plant. Now let's see how the pitcher plant Bandura catches its prey. What do they eat or what do they hunt for food? The pitcher has a lid which traps the insects that fall into it. Inside the pitcher plant, you find a sticky liquid. Once the insects fall into it, they can't come out of the pitcher because they were stuck inside it. So that's how these pitcher plants catch their prey. As we have a digestive system in our body, the pitcher plant also has a digestive system. The pitcher plant digests the insects and absorbs into the plant. Now let's see, where do Bandura plants grow? Bandura plants grow in the wetlands of Sri Lanka and is widely found in the Sinharaja rainforest and also in Horton Plains. They grow on tree branches and feed themselves by catching insects in their pitchers. They grow as climbing vines and their leaves are long, which ends with a tendril. As you can see clearly in the picture, tendril is a thin spiral stem that attaches the Bandura plant. So this tendril supports the plant and the pitcher trap which grows underneath. These traps are eye-catching. Their natural habitat is Sri Lanka. We learned it earlier that Bandura is an endemic plant. It is native to our country. So their natural habitat is Sri Lanka. And they also grow in North Australia, Philippines and Malaysia. There are two types of Bandura depending on where they grow. The highland type and the lowland type. The lowland type tends to have more colorful pitchers than the highland type, but they require greater care to cultivate. They can be propagated or produced with cuttings, seeds and tissue culture. The Nepenthes plant attracts its prey by producing eye-catching colors, sweet scents and sugary nectars. Small insects and ants are frequently or often found on their menu. Now it's time to make smart choices. Let's practice. Can you fill in the blanks? Our pitcher plant Bandura. Number 1. Bandura is a blank pitcher plant native to Sri Lanka. Second one, Bandura is a blank or flesh-eating plant. Number 3, it is commonly known as a pitcher plant as it contains a sac like a blank to catch insects. Number 4, Bandura plants grow in the blank of Sri Lanka. Number 5, it attracts its prey by blank eye-catching colors, sweet scents and sugary nectars. I will be doing this lesson in the Zoom sessions too. Exercises from page number 12 to 17. Please complete all the student notes of our pitcher plant Bandura. Goodbye.